Very well now.
The Assam-Meghalaya border, specifically in Lapangap village of West Jaintia Hills district, erupted with fresh clashes between the Karbi and Pnar communities on Tuesday. Villagers living along the border have reported that hundreds of Karbis have been hiding in the jungle. When contacted, Wa He Shnong of Lapangap De Monmi Lingdo informed that the farmers had visited their paddy fields early on Tuesday morning. Unfortunately, they were ambushed by the Karbis, who had been hiding in nearby areas armed with catapults and bows and arrows. He stated that police forces from both Assam and Meghalaya were present at the scene. The situation eventually calmed down and is now under control. In light of these events, Wa He Shnong of Lapangap urgently appealed to the district administration of the West Jaintia Hills district to intervene and provide protection to the border residents. Even as comptroller